consists of 8 steps, which we review together. 1. Quarry. It includes limestone crusher and clay crusher. 2. Storage. It includes limestone storage, clay, silica sand, and iron ore storage. 3. Raw grinding. It includes raw mill, vertical or tube, and coal mill. 4. Rotary kiln. It includes cooler, preheater, and bypass system. 5. Storage. It includes clinker silos, and open yard. 6. Cement grinding. It includes cement mill, vertical or ball, and gypsum crusher. 7. Storage. It including cement storage silos. 8. Packing. It including packing machines, packing in bulk, and in sacks bags.